What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over our friend Gala Games, currently sitting at 0.044, up about 1% on the day. See market cap of 293 million, 24-hour volume 141 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to BitGet, make sure to sign up, grab up to 8K in bonuses, or Bybit up to 30K in bonuses to do the majority of my trading here on BitGet. Email me your sign-up email, completely free access to over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. All right, gang, so what we're looking at for Gala Games is pushing up in a wave 4. We just saw a massive spike for BTC. CPI can be crazy. Now, the maximum retracement for that wave 4 for BTC is 22.3, so I'll be watching that closely. But as of right now, we've completed a 5-wave move into a wave 3, and we're looking for a wave 4 pullback in between 0.043 and 0.048 before potentially seeing a rejection to come down in a wave 5 of a potential wave A, pullback in a wave B, come back in a wave C to complete that wave 2 pullback, in my opinion. That's what I think is likely. But if we do push above 0.048, it invalidates that as a wave 4, and you'd either have to look at the wave A being in, putting in a B, and then coming down in a C, or the second scenario is, I guess, a really shallow wave 2 and then pushing up into 3, which I think is less likely. But anything is possible. As you can see, we came right down. This is the 50 SMA, where we found support. Often the 50 SMA will act as support and resistance. As you can see right here, we pushed right up to the 50 SMA, rejection, rejection, rejection. So that's why I like to have it on my chart, and right now it is acting as support. So we may push up. Where's the 54? The 20 EMA, 0.047. Maximum retracement is 0.048. So you may see a push up to test the 50-20 EMA. We broke down from the 20 EMA, so we may push up to test it as resistance. So do watch for that in that wave 4. But I do think we will see Gala in the 3-cent range. All right, gang, on the 4-hour time frame, we had a beautiful bullish divergence. We had many bullish divergences across the crypto market, and now that's starting to play out with the release of the CPI. So the chart will usually tell you what's going to happen before any kind of news comes out. We had the bullish D. CPI was actually higher than expected, and we are starting to see a little bit of rally here. As you can see, Phantom up 11%. A lot of coins are starting to bounce. So that's what we'll be looking for, a rejection. As I mentioned, if we break above 0.048, it invalidates a wave 4. But if we do see the rejection from that zone that we're looking for, then we can start to come down in the wave 5. All right, gang, that's it for this one. Make sure to sign up to BitGet, grab those bonuses, or Bybit. Email me your sign-up email, completely free access to over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto with the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis, signals, crypto news, member profits. You can see how they're doing. They like to post their profits with their own trades, and Mahara All Plays is $10 a month. Sign up through the Patreon link. You really can't beat it. Same price as a Netflix subscription, Big Mac meal, Subway with a bag of chips. And smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. See you in the next one. Much love. Take care.